Flite is our lightweight two-person camping tree tent. At 4 kilos, just under 9 pounds, this model has a load capacity of 220 kilos, which is 485 pounds. The tent is rated for 4 seasons and consists of a 2-grade no-seam insect mesh covering with 2-door entry and a removable fly sheet with a waterproof rating of 3000 HH, which comes in a range of colours. When pegged out, the fly sheet offers 5 square metres or 50 square feet of covered area at ground level.
The Katadyn BeFree 1-liter collapsible filter is the perfect smash, stash, and go water filter for on-the-go lifestyles. For the adventure traveler who packs for weight savings while abroad, the BeFree 1-liter will become a staple in your luggage and your most innovative companion, whether refilling at the airport or at the stream near your final destination. With the BeFree filter, you no longer have to worry about where your next drink will come from. Carry and filter fresh water as you go. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. The BeFree filter's water measurements allow you to easily measure and refill companion bottles and cook or wash dishes at camp. Smash, stash, and go with the BeFree for every outdoor and travel adventure. The BeFree easily packs down into your day pack, jacket pocket, and travel luggage. The BeFree 1-liter filter is the ideal size for a variety of front and back country travel. Hikers, runners, cyclists, travelers, and campers love the BeFree for its ability to hydrate users no matter where their journey takes them. For more details, visit Katadyn.com.
The Optimus Crux stove is an ultralight cooker that means serious business. Weighing under 3 ounces or 83 grams, it is one of the lightest and most compact stoves on the market. The Crux has a unique folding burner head, making it the only stove that can be stored in the unused space under your fuel canister. When used with the Optimus Weekend HE Cook Set, you will truly have all you need to prepare some fantastic meals. The Weekend Terra HE pot uses the new heat exchange technology, which increases the pot's surface area and means your water will boil faster. Though the Crux is extremely small and light, don't underestimate its cooking power. This stove can boil a liter of water in less than 3 minutes. Its fine heat adjustment lever allows you to simmer sauces and cook a wider variety of food without scorching. When you are done, everything packs up neatly until you are ready for your next gourmet masterpiece.